Okay, greetings and welcome. Today we're going to be doing the 4-cycle breath. This is the next stage in building the Ball Qigong. Some people call it box breathing. The Navy SEALs use it to calm and retrain the nervous system. And so we're doing something very similar. I have some additional instructions that increase the quality of it, I believe. So basically, if you took a box or a square, we're going to be using building the Ball Qigong to actually amplify the effects. If you start at the top of the box, you're going to do a big inhale for 4 seconds. You're going to hold the charge in. You're actually going to hold all of that energy in the body, kind of filling up like a balloon with vitality. You're going to hold that vitality in for 4 seconds. And then you're going to release it out for 4 seconds, deflating the balloon. All the insides of the body emptying out of tension. You're going to rest for 4 seconds. You're going to restart. Top of the box, big inhale. Holding for 4 seconds. And exhale for 4 seconds. You go up. Resting for 4 seconds. Inhale. Holding. And then releasing any tension from any areas of the body that have tension. And then resting for 4 seconds. Okay, so let's actually add the hands now. We did in building the ball. And you're going to actually put your mind into space between the hands. So if you're pumping a water balloon, and then you're going to add the breathing. So we're going to open the joints, filling up the whole body like a balloon with vitality, every pore, every cell of the body. Holding and actually even increasing vitality in this state. Then breathing out for 4 seconds. Resting. Okay. How long to do this? There are many more details I'll be layering on. Start with 3 to 5 minutes. I've been having extraordinary great results for my students, my patients. And it's because they didn't have a way to increase the quality of their body, the insides, the breath, through the breath. The Buddha talked about breathing, and there's, especially in Thai Buddhism, there's things with becoming more aware of the body, what's going on, the connection between the body, the mind, the emotions. And this is a really great way to start to access the nervous system to smooth things out, to release stress, to create a calmer nervous system, to create more presence for your life, and to create a lot more vitality, and to have a lot of mental and emotional control and focus, so that you can put that into anything. You can put it into outdoor activities, combat arts, combat sports, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Muay Thai, Tai Chi, elite sports, golf, tennis, whatever. It's going to develop your body and a mind that's suited for whatever you put your body and mind into. It's the basis, it's the foundation for developing a pathway to get to a high level in whatever you choose, whatever your heart, is set on doing. So I'd recommend checking out Ixen Gracie's book, Breathe. I actually haven't got it yet. I actually, a lot of this stuff that I learned from my teachers, it goes a little bit beyond that, I would say. Like, I think Ixen had learned like pranayama and kind of some Indian stuff, but in my experience, the way that I'm teaching it to you now is actually a little bit more, it's actually easier, and in some ways it's more advanced. It kind of gets you gains without having to do a lot of the complicated stuff that if you see videos of Ixen online with the whatever they call it, Voss breathing or vase breathing, I don't do that. I don't know. But there's a lot you can do with this. You can reprogram your thoughts and emotions. It takes time. It's a practice like everything else, but it allows you the gateway to get into your brain and your nervous system to start clearing it out and to start putting the emotions and feelings and the qualities necessary to develop whatever you want. It develops a large amount of calmness and equanimity, which you need for high-level performance in any art or high-level activity. You need like a very large container for energy to run through your body without you, snapping. So it does that. It develops like it tunes your body and your mind and your breath into one cohesive unit. It's like tuning a guitar string. If it's too tight, it's going to snap it. If it's too loose, it doesn't conduct any power. So it allows you to release all this stress so that your body and mind can start to retune itself. So that's what it does. And that last part was really for especially people that are, either advanced students, intermediate advanced, or people that are instructors, healers, people in physical therapy, massage. It can rapidly increase your results by teaching your students this, because there's only so much you can do, either talking to them or even with manual work. But once you teach them how to release stress and trauma and anxiety and a lot of held tension and pain from the body, it can heal their old injuries, and they can do it by themselves. They can get a lot done by themselves over the week between sessions, and it allows you to work on the necessary areas that you need to as a practitioner, and you can start to do that without having to do more. So in this way, it's actually creating more precision and efficiency at a deeper level rather than trying to do more for them. So that's what I found in my experience working with people. And have fun with it, play with it. So the 4-cycle breath. Enjoy. Bye.